សួស្តីថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកបង្ហាញរបៀបធ្វើពោតអាំងជាមួយខ្ទិះដូង Hi guys, summer is approaching. I'm going to show you one of delicious recipe. This is Cambodian grilled corn with coconut cream sauce. So here it is. I have here is 5 corn. I'm going to put it on a grill with the husk on. So this way it will cook better. And then later I'm going to remove the husk and grill it again. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដាក់អាំងពោតនិងសំបកសិនពេលអាំងឆ្អិនហើយបានខ្ញុំបកសំបកចេញហើយអាំងម្ដងទៀតយើងធ្វើអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យពោតយើងឆ្អិនល្អ I'm using 3 stem of green onion just the green part ខ្ញុំប្រើស្លឹកខ្ទឹម3ដើមប្រើតែខៀវឯណាអូខេ Okay, 1 cup of coconut milk ខ្ទិះដូង1 cup 1 teaspoon of salt អំបិល1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 1/4 cup of sugar ស្ករស1កែវភាគ4 1 tablespoon of cornstarch ម្សៅឆា1ស្លាបព្រាបាយ This is to thicken the sauce ដើម្បីឲ្យខ្ទិះដូងយើងខាប់ល្អ Okay, mix to combine. In a skillet, I'm going to use 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. I recommend coconut oil for this recipe. យើងប្រើប្រេងដូងបន្តិចណាដើម្បីយើងឆាខ្ទឹម Okay, I'm going to put green onion. So I'm just going to infuse the green onion with the coconut oil. That's all you need. Stir top and give it a stir to thicken the sauce. Our coconut milk is thickening. Add the green onion. Okay, give it a stir and turn off the stove. So this coconut cream sauce is kind of sweet, kind of salty, and it is so delicious. So here is the consistency. Okay, so I'm going to peel the skin. Okay, all done peeling, and I'm going to put on the grill again to make it nice and toasty all around. បកស្បករួចហើយយើងយកទៅអាំងម្ដងទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យវាក្រហម And here is the grilled corn. It is ready, and this is perfect for summer barbecuing with your family or your friend. Grilled corn with coconut cream sauce. ពោតអាំងជាមួយខ្ទិះដូង Sharing my recipe one at a time. Don't forget to follow me on Cookpad, link in my bio for a full recipe. Thank you for watching.